Hey, what's up, millionaire? So, Wing coin and the last 24-hour very badly fails down. Exactly. But this time, what's going on in this time? This time is good time for Wing coin holder. Absolutely. This time, Wing is going like a rocket, my friend. But today in this video, I also talk you the prediction to I also share my prediction in this video, and I also share my opinion in this video. Everything as in this video very important, my friends. So kindly keep watch, don't skip any second. Okay, this is very important for you. First of all, friends, we talk about the crypto market. You can see here this time the crypto market is starting moving up. So this is good for all crypto holder. Every crypto coin is going very fastly, especially Dutch coin as one of the fastest cryptocurrency. If you invest and this time Dutch coin, absolutely this is good to you, and they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit, my friend. So absolutely Dutch coin is going very fastly. So let's come out, my friends, to the Wing coin, to what's going on in a Wing. My friends, in the last 24 hours, if you can see here, the Dutch coin very badly falls down. You can see here the price is also decreased, and this is very cheap price. You can see here, my friend, if you want to invest and Wing, absolutely you are good. You are good. This is good decision, my friend, to you invest. This time, if you can see here, in the last 24 hours, they change occur plus 2.34%. But you can see here that badly very bad falls down, my friends. So therefore I think this is very small change. Let's start the price prediction of a Wing coin, my friend. But before I get started, I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel. If you are new on our channel, then most welcome. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe it, click the red button, okay, and also like this video. This is very important for you, my friend. This time, if you can see here, in the last 24 hours, they change occur plus 2.21%, and the latest price is 0.001518 US dollar. This is a very low price. This is very cheap price, my friend. I think this is very good for investment because they give you a very good profit. You can see here in upcoming time they going up, my friend. What's my prediction? I use this formula. You can see here, first of all, after fail any cryptocurrency, after fails they take a very high jump, my friend. So you can see here, after fails they take a high jump, and after this jump they also take a fails down, my friend. This time you can see here, and after fails they take again jump, my friend. After this jump they take again very fails down, my friend. But after that they also take a jump, and after this take jump, after this jump they take again fails down, my friend. And this is the last 24 hours. You can see here. So my friend, I hope in upcoming days they're moving up like a rocket. They are moving up like a rocket. So this is my prediction to upcoming days. They're going up, my friend. Please hold it, don't sell it. And my opinion is that to you, if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good day to you buy it. So please buy it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope the good time is coming soon now. Please wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, my friends. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.